the wonderful and beautiful Korea. But in this video, we are specifically talking about Gyeonggi-do. Join me, JRE, as I explore Gyeonggi-do through my point of view, through my camera point of view, and my special guest point of view. Yo, what's up? It's your boy JRE. I'm finally here in Korea. I'm finally out of quarantine, and the first specific place that we are in is Gyeonggi-do Cave. But this time I'm joined with a friend and special guest. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm May. I'm a YouTuber based here in Seoul, but this is the first time in this area, and I cannot wait to get to know this area. Yeah.
So yeah, let's explore, shall we? Gyeonggi-do Cave. Super cold. They say it's like 12 degrees.
Right, 10 to 12.
10 to 12 degrees. Outside is like 30, so it's a big difference. And they didn't tell us.
Bring your jackets.
Yeah, bring your jackets. Oh, Wind Road. It's hella windy, first of all. Super windy. Okay. It's actually kind of a creepy shot. Us just walking by ourselves.
Actually, this is not my first time in caves. Like, I've been in caves in my country, but this is like the...
Did you tell me you were born in a cave?
No, but this is like the cleanest and prettiest, I guess. Because they have even like CCTVs on the ceiling, but in Colombia we have bats. Yeah, it's not that safe. So actually, I've been really enjoying this.
Ooh. Whoa. It's like super pretty. Whoa, what's happening? Is this for us? So there's a wine locker room. That's where all they keep the wine. That's where they're trying to keep me out from, because I would drink it all. We went literally from lights and colorful action to quiet cave vibes. I think this is basically the mine. And it's kind of cool. It's dead silence. Like there's not that many tourists here right now, obviously. So it's like, it's actually kind of peaceful in a way. Kind of like it. What do you think?
I love it, it's really cool.
Yo, it's calling your name. It's your next, that's your next boo thing. Nah, it looks pretty. It's gold, right? Golden dragon. Golden dragon. So pretty. Let's go. Blood parrot, golden severum, yellow prince, child. Pray for wealth and fortune. That's what these fishes are. Golden Road, which is looks like, is this actual gold? I'm guessing so.
Looks pretty real.
It looks pretty real. Can I touch it? It's wet as hell. I wonder if is this actual gold?
Like even the ceiling is all...
Like gold color?
Yeah.
I'm actually curious. That's not real. This can't be real, can it be? Wait, I'm confused. Okay, we got the golden plaque wishing wall. Hang the golden plaque of your best wishes on the wishing wall. Oh, so people actually write their wishes and hang it up.
Yeah.
And hopefully it comes true.
Hopefully, yeah.
I wonder if we could do it ourselves. What would you wish for? It's me, the actor that plays Loki.
Tom Hiddleston? Sure,
Hiddleston?
yes, yes.
Yo, kind of excited. 감사합니다. Oh, what is that? Yo, what if he scares AJ? Bro, I can't even see where I'm going. Hello? Oh! Excuse me, let me bleep that out. It's PG.
I swear to God.
What are you doing?
Oh my God, oh my God.
Is that rats?
Oh my God, oh my
okay,
God.
okay. Hey, what's up, my guy?
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Let's go! Let's go! You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Fuck. Yo, you good? I can't see because of the lights. The lights make it worse. The lights, hi. See the camera moving? Oh, I'm so tensed up. Yo, you good?
No, I can't
Then
walk.
go. Just go. Just hold on.
You would think that I will help, but it doesn't.
Oh, I'm so tensed up, yo. I'm so scared. You good? All right, okay. Good, May? I'm fine. I'm just fine. Okay. Okay, you already know something's gonna happen. You already know something's gonna happen. All right.
Wait, is it the end?
Here, come closer. I'm scared that someone. Who is that? Is that something? Oh, God. I can't tell because the light's blinding me. Here you go. That's it, right? Think we're good?
Oh my God.
That was fun. Yo, I'm glad we did that.
This is the end?
This is the end. This is the end. We see a dragon. Supposedly it's the Lord of the Cave. Biggest dragon sculpture in Korea, which is made by Weta Workshop, known for their works on The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit and King Kong. We do see Golem, the dragon, which is pretty cool. Pretty neat. Well, that was interesting. What was your favorite part?
So I have two.
Two.
Actually, like in the entrance, there is kind of like Christmas thing, like,
Yeah, like
the
lights
the lights
in the cave.
and some animals, and
Yeah.
it was all like golden. Like I really like it. And also there was this kind of like waterfall, but with lights.
Like
Smoky
yeah,
kind
like
of
misty, smoky vibes. I remember that.
I really
That was really
enjoyed
pretty.
that. Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
I guess for me, my favorite one was the zombie cave. Just getting scared. I personally don't like getting scared, but that was just out of nowhere in the cave. I really actually did enjoy it. Would you recommend someone going here too?
Yes. Yeah.
It was really fun.
Yeah, everything was really unexpected.
Yeah. There was like, I thought it was just gonna be one cave and just discover the history and like which was educational as well, but had like fun things as well. So yeah, I do recommend people coming here as well. Yeah. Exactly. So roller coaster first.
적극적인 동참을 부탁.
This guy right here. I can't even imagine.
Or like including the time we like woke up to like the end of the shoot.
Yeah.
It was like 33 hours or something like that.
Hey, you better subscribe.